Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce jeans waist size. We'll start by exploring effective home methods, like using hot water and high heat to shrink your denim. Then, we'll delve into professional tailoring options for a precise, custom fit. We'll also cover quick, temporary fixes for immediate adjustments, and finally, discuss how to maintain your jeans' perfect waist size over time, ensuring they stay comfortable and stylish. To shrink your jeans at home, a popular method involves washing them in hot water and then drying them on the highest heat setting. This process helps the cotton fibers contract, reducing the overall size. For a more targeted approach, you can spray just the waistband with hot water before drying. Another effective technique is to boil only the waistband for about 10 to 15 minutes, which can significantly tighten the fabric. For a truly perfect and lasting fit, consider visiting a professional tailor. They can expertly take in the waist by 1 or 2 inches, ensuring a custom alteration that looks seamless. If you prefer a non-permanent solution, a simple belt can instantly cinch your waist. Alternatively, a clever button pin or a jeans button extender offers a quick and easy way to adjust the waistband by about 1/2 inch for immediate comfort. To help maintain your jeans' reduced waist size and prevent future stretching, proper care is key. Try to wash your jeans less frequently, perhaps every 5 to 10 wears, to preserve the denim fibers. When you do wash them, always air dry them instead of using a machine dryer, as high heat can cause them to stretch out again. Storing them folded also helps maintain their shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.